Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off keyboard shortcuts in Gmail on your PC. Keyboard shortcuts can be a time-saving feature, but if you prefer not to use them, we'll show you how to disable them in your Gmail account. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, find the Keyboard Shortcuts option and click on it. Then, select Keyboard Shortcuts Off to disable this feature. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off keyboard shortcuts in your Gmail account and navigate through your emails using traditional methods. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.